Ernest Hemingway best quotes. No one you love is ever truly lost. You must be prepared to work always without applause. But man is not made for defeat. A man can be destroyed, but not be defeated. Night is always darker before the dawn, and life is the same. The hard time will pass, everything will get better, and the sun will shine brighter than ever. The world breaks everyone, and afterward, some are strong at the broken places. Before you react, think. Before you spend, earn. Before you criticize, wait. Before you quit, try. The rain will stop, the night will end, the hurt will fade. Hope is never so lost that it cannot be found. The best people possess a feeling for beauty, the courage to take risk, the discipline to tell the truth, the capacity for sacrifice. Ironically, their virtue make them vulnerable. They are often wounded, sometimes destroyed. Critics are men who watch a battle from a high place, then come down and shoot the survivors. If you stop complaining and asking for what you never will get, you will have a good life. A good life is not measured by any biblical span. I like to listen. I have learned a great deal from listening carefully. Most people never listen. I can't stand to think my life is going so fast, and I am not really living it. Every day is a new day. It is better to be lucky, but I would rather be exact. Then, when luck comes, you are ready. Worry a little bit every day, and in a lifetime, you will lose a couple of years. If something is wrong, fix it if you can, but train yourself not to worry. Worry never fixes anything. Happiness in intelligent people is the rarest thing I know. Courage is grace under pressure. I was always a lonely person when I was with everyone. An intelligent man is sometimes forced to be drunk to spend time with fools. The best way to find out if you can trust a woman is to trust her. Being against evil doesn't make you good. To hell with them. Nothing hurts if you don't let it. You can't get away from yourself by moving one place to another. Work every day, no matter what has happened, the day or night before. Get up and bite on the nail. Develop a built-in bullshit detector. Never go on trips with anyone you do not love. The writer's job is to tell the truth. Never think that war, no matter how necessary nor how justified, is not a crime. Nobody ever lives their life all the way up except bullfighters. I drink to make other people more interesting. Now is no time to think of what you do not have. Think of what you can do with that there is. Any man's life told truly is a novel. Never confuse movement with action. You ought to dream. All our biggest businessmen have been dreamers. The first and final thing you have to do in this world is to lust it and not be smashed by it. The things of the night cannot be explained in the day because they do not then exist. Hesitation increases in relation to risk in equal proportion to age. It's good to have an end to a journey toward, but it is the journey that matters in the end. When you love, you wish to do things for, you wish to sacrifice for, you wish to serve. All cowardice comes from not truly loving, or at least not loving well. The echoes of beauty you have seen transpire, free sound through dying coals of a campfire. Wine offers a greater range for enjoyment and appreciation than possibly any other purely sensory thing which may be purchased. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Famous Quotes of All Time to hear and read more interesting quotes of famous people.